This is Jay Teaches Reading for All, Lesson 26. This lesson is going to begin a series of 4 lessons, 26, 27, 28, 29, that are going to be different. And the first difference is I'm only going to review the last 4 letters and their sounds in the alphabet. So students, what's the sound of W? W, window. X, X, axe. Y, Y, yo-yo. Z, Z, zipper. Now, teachers, if you would like to have the students review the rest of the letters of the alphabet, certainly you can do that. You can just press pause and have them do that. Teachers of small, young students who are doing the ABC song still, it's your choice. If you want to continue with the song, if the student likes to do that, fine. In future lessons, we are going to go over the sounds we've gone over the basic sounds, but we're going to go over the other sounds that are incorporated in that ABC song. So, you can continue with the song, or you can just remind the students when we get to the lesson with that extra sound that they have sung that before. Now, lesson 26 is a lesson where we will be putting ending S's on nouns, which we'll explain in a minute or two. But right now, we're going to review words and true and false in the last 2 lessons. As usual, this hasn't changed. And students, the Y words, here we go. Yam. Yam. Yak, yak. Yap, yap. Yet, yet. Yell, yell. Yes, yes. Yip, yip. Yen, yen. Yuck, yuck. Yum. Okay, and teachers, if you would like, you can press pause, have the students read these words to you, and also, if I can get the true and false on the screen, which I think I can, you can have the students also read those true and false to you. Press pause. Now let's review lesson 25 words, the Z words. And we'll start right here. Zig, zig. Zag, zag. Zip, zip. Zap, zap. Buzz, buzz. Fuzz, fuzz. Jazz, jazz. Zack, Zach. Zeb, Zeb. And if I slide this up just a hair, we've got our true and false. I think I've got everything on there, barely. Teachers, you can press pause and do the words with the students and the review of the true and false. Okay, now we get to lesson 26. And as I said, our procedure is going to change. We're not going to be doing some things already. You already know about the not reviewing most of the letter sounds in the alphabet. Also, we're not going to be doing handwriting in the next 4 lessons, or spelling, or true and false. And also, I'm not going to be reminding you about the print and say strategy. You can certainly use this strategy anytime you think it would be helpful, but I'm just not going to remind you about it. We'll just assume you know it and you can use it when needed. Now, the reason we're not doing some things is because I'm not really introducing any new words to the students in these 4 lessons coming up. But I am introducing some new concepts about English, and I want the students to learn these concepts. And the first concept is the noun concept. And a noun is a part of speech in English. Words have different functions in English, and nouns are words that are persons, places, or things. For example, a boy is a noun, person. School is a noun, place. Bicycle is a noun, thing. If you put an S on the end of a noun, you make it say more than one. We call that plural. So students, say plural. Plural. That means more than one. So in our first couple words up here, we've got cat. But when we put an S on it, it means more than one. Cats. We got rat. When we put an S on it, more than one. Rats. Okay, so that's plural when you put an S on a noun. So we're going to practice putting S's on nouns. The first 2 lines, the S's sound like S. The second 2 lines, the S's sound like Z. And I'm just going to read through these one time, and then teachers have the students read these to you. Cats, rats, pets, jets, hips, lips, dots, pots, cups, pups. So we have pairs of rhyming words, as you see. Now the words, the nouns, ending in S, the S sounding like a Z. Pans, cans, pens, dens, pins, bins, dogs, hogs, bugs, rugs. Again, pairs of rhyming words. Okay, teachers, press pause, have the students. I'll read these words to you. Go ahead. Okay, now our next lesson, lesson 27, we're also going to add S's two words, but they're not going to be nouns. They're going to be verbs. And to find out what a verb is, in case you don't know, you will have to join me in lesson 27.